It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. We're gonna make some snowmen. I've got these rounder little jars, and then I've got the wine glasses. And I'm just pouring Epsom salt into them. And then I've got some of the little things from Cobblestone Corners, the Winter Village that they sell at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put some of these down into this. I don't know if you can see that. You see? And then I've got some little bottle brush trees that also came from Dollar Tree. And they have like a little thing where they can be an ornament. I just took that off because you don't need that. And just bury that in there too. See? Isn't that cute, y'all? Isn't that cute, y'all? So there's that one. There's that one. You can glue these if you want to. I'm not gluing mine together because I want to be able to take them apart, you know, after the holidays to store them or whatever. But you just sit them on top of each other like this. I'm making a boy and a girl here, y'all, if y'all haven't figured out. And I'm just going to tie the ribbon around like it's a scarf. So there they are, y'all. Aren't they cute?